we are calling you today, take the side of those that are fighting corruption, not only for praying for them, by being actively involved in the programs that wants to eliminate corruption in our system. Colleagues, corruption is not going to dent those that are in political office. It's going to dent the soul of who we are as a society. In so doing, you are going to help us to shape and change the narrative that we can be a winning nation, but in order to be a winning nation, all of us must do good, even if no one is watching. It hurts and pains us, but we are now a laughingstock of the entire nation. Almost every day on the television set is who has done wrong to who and how, when we're supposed to build a nation of children that understand Ubuntu, a nation of children who understand that if you pick up something of somebody who have lost it, pick it up and give it to the right authority so that they can give it back to the one who lost it. But in a society that we are in, even if we can be good and pick up that thing that somebody have lost, if you hand it over to somebody in authority, the chances that that one in authority won't pass it over, he will take it himself or herself. This is the society we need to change. And we are hopeful that you are going to join us in our determination that ethics must be part of the curriculum in our schools, that our children at grade 3, grade 6, grade 9, and grade 11 must pass a course on ethics, so that by the time they leave the school premises, their mind is ready to fight and reject anything that is wrong in society. This is how you build a nation, because their mind is contested. There are people that are selling drugs, there are people that are promoting alcohol, there are people that are promoting gambling, so that our children must not focus on what is right. Me and you, our time is over. The next time is the children that are in our schools. Let's do everything to empower them.